No, at yung bagong guard.
Caloocan, this is a very veteran-laden squad with Gabby Espina still at the helm. You may say that they are up in terms of miles, but the experience and could be the right man for that job, judging by the way that he ran things last year with the Bacoor City Strikers, making it all the way to the finals, just losing to the eventual champions, the Pampanga. Damien Lasco, former Zamboanga player, hops into the lane. Espinas doesn't settle for the jumper. Attacks. Left-handed finish is good.
Great patience that time they have.
Marilao missing a jumper on the other side. Oh, what a fake right there by Palencia, using that Euro to get that right-hand layup to go.
Hindi ginagawa yan, pero yung side step is a little mix of both.
Pero Mingan wants to answer and he gets that inside scoop. 8-5 is
here pa yan sa Sarangani kung di ako nagkakamali.
Sa Pasay, coach.
Pasay, yeah. Pasay.
Well, you are one of the more credible ones to say something about him because he gave you a lot of head.
And it wasn't like they got into a fight or something. It was just so intense, yung tamang competition lang.
Well, it's no joke.
Disrupt him. I would say high level of disruption itong si Kanyal.
Espinas able to get it off at the last moment to Damien Lasco.
Things to fix. No, Nicole Obalde and Alfred Cedillo, who are both injured, will be expecting more from Tricky and Miles Kanyal. Have you, Coach Chris?
Thank you so much for that update, Mika. Maclean Sabalina is in the game.
Everything has been in the paint for Caloocan.
Bonsubre trying to get inside that shaded area. Palencia get away again.
So I guess walang adjustment inside the in terms of paint points. Early here in the first quarter, itong Caloocan.
And they are scorching hot from the field. 6 out of 8 right now. But buti na lang, Tricky pero Mingan was able to get past to Liu. The baseline drive. Pull-up jumper. A little bit too strong. Offensive rebound for Junjun. Gets hit. Ronnie Matias, 2 points inside.
Rebound just failing to block out that time is Bacolod.
Good ball movement here for the white shirts as it ends in a Danny Marilao jumper.
Improvement baka mo. Ayan, another improvement.
Liu gets a screen from Bonsubre. Out to Cervantes. Unang pasok sa laro na to. And early impact once again para kay Rel Cervantes.
That's always hard to... Before the game, you're coming off the bench. Natutuyuan ka ng pawis. It's always a challenge to make that first shot, especially from the outside. Pero si Galicia, ganun din eh. May kamay pa sa harapan. Natumba pa.
To Bonsubre. Looks to the other side. Casin takes the three. Casin drives inside. Left hand finish is good.
That recovery, especially...
Almost ahead of the pack, but defense recovers there for Bacolod. Casin, a pass inside to Real Cervantes.
Might have traveled.
Back goes to Bonsubre. Still enough time here for Caloocan. Sanga, a deadly outside shooter, goes for three, swishes it through Paul Sanga to beat the buzzer. Court side. Caloocan currently up by 12, 26-14. Tayong Tong leans in. Off the glass is good.
So they've been below the 3.
11 out of 14 from the field in the first quarter. A very efficient 78% from the field for Caloocan. Cervantes looking to add to that point total inside the paint. Ilio sets up Peromingan. Peromingan, the nice floater. Move. That's good.
A great read off that staggered screen.
Casin leaves it for Sumoda. Jesse, drop step, left hand hook shot is good.
Gotta love
the coach to be able to learn under the tutelage of guys like Gabby Espinas, Real Cervantes, great post players, great players here in the MPBL as Casinillo.
Guys like Matias and Gabby are really teaching them points in practice, but even if they're not, just to play with them every day in practice, that's big already.
The effort is there, the height advantage definitely on the side of Caloocan, but Galit playing the passing lanes and getting 2 points there for Bacolod.
Boys more, lalong-lalo na si paring Gabby, who was actually the same age as Coach Alex. Parang kami lang ni Coach Chris sa'yo, Javi, no? No Jeremy Camanag because of his finger injury, Javi, Coach Chris.
But, in my opinion, Coach, you look like you're 25, don't worry.
Thank you so much. You're my favorite partner of all time now.
Gabby Espinas off the glass. Just like... Galit loses the basketball. Manalang will be unbothered in his walk to the park. Crack the PBA, but he has a steady career here in the MPBL, and guys like him will always do have a job dito sa liga na to.
Especially effort, obviously, by Caloocan that time, and you just hope that it was a learning experience for them. But talk about a learning experience in that play.
For most of his career here in the MPBL, formerly of the Sarangani Marlins. But here he's one of the go-to guys para sa Bacolod, at least in this game. Kalahat scoring inside. Ramos
I thought he had a shot.
has not make a dent in this game, but Casinillo finally gets one from top of the game. So this is more of an experimentation para kay Coach Alex right now.
And he started with a starting lineup that Ronnie Matias as Lee Yu makes a 3
Strong.
And this is an open shot after being wide open for like 10 seconds in that play.
Espinas, after that pass, gets the reverse lead of the game so far for Caloocan.
And I also see frustrations mounting up, but Ramos with this steal, ang ganda naman ng ginawa niya, no? Created space. Sarangani nung third quarter, which something they were able to escape that win.
Joel Liu, 2 threes already in this.
I'm just happy that he's taking the shots at least, because I thought he's been a little passive even from the last.
Ramos. Salcedo is up ahead. Ramos still has it. He'll take it from the free throw line. Jamel Ramos able to get it. Laban tayo, walang kaibigan. Atsi Inigo doesn't settle for the outside shot. Takes it from the perimeter. That falls through para kay Atsi Inigo.
This game to hit double figures.
That just proves the team play being displayed by Caloocan in this game. That's a shot that Bacolod definitely needed. They go to Tayong Tong. Joko drives middle. Finds Atsi Inigo for 3. That's arrows out para kay Atsi Inigo.
Showed at the top of this coverage no pre-game natin.
Cervantes, a series of moves. Cervantes, too easy for the big man.
And for a moment,
Make this game wide open here as we end this third quarter. 1 minute and 24 remaining in this period. Pastias goes back door. Pastias, the hook shot, that's good. To the left side, Inigo. One dribble fake, the pass. Sanga from the outside, swishes it through.
is that even if you end up of losing this game, you gotta play with high intensity. Tulad yan, yung pag-anticipate ni Galicia, nagawa dun the first 3 quarters, can't bring that back. But you can only control what's in the present. And just like that, you know, put everyone together and make them move as one. It's just, sometimes it's just it's a thankless job, but at the same time,
Espanola. JJ calls out a play. Espanola turns the corner. Espanola with the offhand. What do you think that is?
because of the inside points, that was glaring, especially in the first half. The poor shooting, Bacolod was below, 40%, I believe. They were at 40%. But again, another.
Pero Mingan fakes the shot, couple of dribbles, gives it up, got it, that's his shot. Baseline jumper is pure. Irvin Valencia getting his first point of the second half after scoring 6 in the first quarter. Espanola finally connects from the outside. Lefty himself onto Matias. Liu, push shot, no good. Ronnie, the offensive rebound. The reverse is good para kay Ronnie Matias.
We always say yung experience ng isang.
Doubled here on the right side, outside to Casinillo. Espanola, will he get another one? Yes, sir! JJ Espanola for 3.
Arrow. Okay. I was about to say kung maapektado yung possession arrow eh.
Oh, tricky pero Mingan, the N1 opportunity is free for 3. Doesn't settle. Couple of dribbles, pull up, gets his own miss. Espanola off the bank. 71-64. Bacolod, they lost to the Davao Occidental Tigers by just 1 point. Joko Tayong Tong, after that timeout, drains a huge 3 for the Bacolod. Liu leaves it for Espinas. Tayong Tong goes inside, couple of dribbles, short range jumper is pure.
Simple last 40 seconds.
Experience looking to be once again a great teacher to Bacolod, but LA Casinillo is trying to gain more of in the final frame. Cervantes in out, a series of moves, and Cervantes will score once again.
Just poor defense for Bacolod.
From you, Coach Chris.
Kulay ng buhok. Kulay. May difference po. Mr. Palanya, as you see Danny Marilao making a difference in that play.
Oh, pamahiin. Superstitious, whatever you want to call it. Sabelina, that's a strong basket inside the paint. Moving forward, Coach, if you're Coach Alex Cabagnot, what do you want to look forward to if you're Bacolod?